promising to be made manifest by the advent of nanotechnology. When we think through the world of technology and especially the aspect of new and upcoming technology, then it is not uncommon that we have probably heard about this new, exciting, and promising field of technology, nanotechnology. So what then is nanotechnology? What is nanotechnology promising to achieve? What are the experts saying about nanotechnology? And lastly, what are the postulated benefits and effects of nanotechnology on human health and the environment? These are some of the topical questions that we will be exploring in this episode. To begin with, it is a description of what nanotechnology entails. Nanotechnology, as a discipline, it is a field of research and innovation that is concerned with the creation of items, be it materials or devices, on the scale of atoms and molecules. Irving and Pitcatley, 2005. As a category in research, it is inclusive of all types of research and technologies that deal with the special properties of matter. To get deeper into the scientific description of this type of technology, nanotechnology, also referred to as nanotech, is the manipulation of matter on an atomic, molecular, and supramolecular scale. Buzia, Pacheco, and Rabi, 2017. The secret behind this technology is to find a way around/traverse the laws of physics and chemistry that constrain the molding abilities of certain materials. Therefore, working at such scales as at the molecular level of a material, the ordinary rules of physics and chemistry no longer apply. This implies that, for instance, the common characteristics that define a material such as their color, strength, conductivity, and reactivity, can differ substantially between the nanoscale and the macroscale. Irving and Pitcatley, 2005. A good example would be the illustration that carbon nanotubes are 100 times stronger than steel, but 6 times lighter. Interesting, isn't it? So what then can nanotechnology do? If you have already watched the movie Wakanda, Black Panther's suit and gear to be precise, then you have a pretty good idea of what nanotechnology can achieve. There are many postulated future implications of nanotechnology. These include the ability to create many new materials and devices with a vast range of applications, such as in nanomedicine, nanoelectronics, biomaterials, energy production, and other consumer products. Buzia, Pacheco, and Rabi, 2017. Currently, research in this field is more inclined towards the potential of using nanotechnology to increase the efficiency of energy consumption, to help clean the environment, and in helping solve major health problems. Irving and Pitcatley, 2005. Here is an interesting fact about nanotechnology products. They have been shown to be smaller, cheaper, lighter, yet with more functional capabilities, requiring less energy, and fewer raw materials to manufacture. Irving and Pitcatley, 2005. The implications of this discovery on our manufacturing abilities today is that, with the advent of application of nanotech in production lanes, it is said to be able to massively increase manufacturing production at significantly reduced costs. Cool, right? What are experts saying about nanotech? 1. Renowned Nobel laureate in chemistry, Richard Smalley, in June 1999 indicated in his address to the U.S. House Committee on Science on the Benefits of Nanotechnology that the impact of nanotechnology on the health, wealth, and lives of people will be at least the equivalent of the combined influences of microelectronics, medical imaging, computer-aided engineering, and man-made polymers developed in this century. Irving and Pitcatley, 2005. This helps to demystify the postulated danger and fear of advancements in nanotechnology as a field of technology which has significantly delayed research into the field. But as with other new technologies, there are many concerns that remain regarding the effects of nanotechnology on human and environmental health. In the book, Engines of Creation by a scientist Eric Drexler, the main concern that echoes through the pages of this book is the possibility of the envisioned self-replicating molecules created in the efforts to actualize nanotechnology to escape human control. What amount of disaster would ensue? As much as many researchers have gone at length to discredit this theory, there are still many researchers and scientists who worry about the effects that this new industry could have on the North-South divide. More so given the fact-projected trend which depicts that the science and development of nanotechnology might progress faster than policymakers can devise appropriate regulatory measures. It would be important for the global community to come together to address the risk versus benefits of this new technology before its negative effects become manifest. As we conclude today's episode on nanotechnology, it only seems imperative that we explore the estimated value of the nanotechnology global market. Given the promise that this technology is associated with, the race is on to harness its potential and to profit from it. Many governments believe that nanotech will bring about a new era of productivity and wealth, and this is reflected by the way public investment in nanotechnology research and development has risen in the past decade. Irving and Pitcatley, 2005. Examples include Japan, In 2002, it dedicated $750 million a year to nanotech. This reflects a six-fold increase on the 1997 figure by the same country. On average, the global market for nanotech-based products is estimated to exceed $1 trillion within the next 15 years. Irving and Pitcatley, 2005. We might just be witnessing the new era in modern technology that is nanotechnology, and pretty soon. That has been all we had prepared today on this episode. Stay tuned for scenes from our next topic. Thank you for watching. See you next time. You have viewing nanotechnology on Imagine.